5 fruits needed by our body to give strong vitality plus water. Papaya. 1 small papaya 152 grams contains calories, 59, carbohydrates, 15 grams fiber, 3 grams protein, 1 gram vitamin C, 157% of the RD, vitamin A 33% of the RD, folate vitamin B9, 14% of the RD, potassium, 11% of the RD, trace amounts of calcium, magnesium and vitamins B1, B3, B5, E and K. Apple. Apple food nutrients, potassium 10.7 mg, carbohydrates 14 g, dietary fiber 2, 4 g, sugar 10 mg, protein 3 g, vitamins 7, magnesium 1%. Cucumber. Benefits of cucumber fiber, vitamins A, K and C, potassium and calcium. 1 serving equals about 100 grams, or 1/3 of a medium-sized cucumber. Citrus. Benefits of citrus. It is confer vascular protection to reduce inflammation and improve gastrointestinal function. Raisins. Benefits of raisins helps reduce cardiovascular risk factors such as blood pressure rate when compared to other snacks. Apple. Papaya. Dried grapes are raisins. Citrus. Cucumber. Water, zip water, half a glass of it, 1 hour after the meal. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share.